solve on these questions. The parametric equation given by your x is equals to 1 over 3 sine cube theta. So your x is in terms of theta. And then your y also in terms of theta, which is 2 cos cube 2 theta. Means your theta is your parameter here. So this is an unknown, the third unknown here. So find your dy dx in terms of theta. Therefore, dy dx, we need our chain rule. There will be dy d theta times d theta dx. So for x, differentiate x respect to theta. For trigo, how many steps here? When we have power, 4 steps. Power turun tekan. Power tolak 1. Differentiate sine, differentiate angle. Angle theta is 1. Differentiate sine, we get cos. And we simplify this. We can get this is sine square theta, cos theta. And what we need here is d theta over dx. So we inverse it. d theta dx. 2 theta. Oh, my question 2 theta here. Sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta. So when we need d theta dx, we inverse it, become 1 over. So we still have a 2 here, where 3 can be simplified. So everything go to denominator. 2 sine square 2 theta cos 2 theta. So for another part y, dy d theta, repeat the process, differentiate trigo, 4 step, power turun depan, times 2 become 6, power tolak 1, differentiate trigo, differentiate angle, fill in the blank here. Second step, differentiate, power turun depan, power tolak 1 means cos cube will become cos square. Differentiate the cos, it will give us reading of negative sign, angle follow. And then the last step, differentiate angle, it gives us to try to simplify this, negative, positive, negative. 12. Then we simplify for dy dx. So what we need dy dx is equals to dy d theta times d theta dx. So we see this term can be simplified. 2 with 12, we get 6. And then in terms of cos theta here, this is cos square, simplified. You're leaving a cos to theta. Then sine theta and sine square. So after you multiply, we get negative 6 cos 2 theta over sine 2 theta. So sine over cos in trigo, sine over cos can be simplified as cotangent 2 theta. The question proceeds, they ask, hence, find the parameter theta, means find your theta here, when your dy dx is equals to negative 2 third 3. And our data only fall in 0 until pi over 2. So now given you where dy dx is equals to negative 2 third 3. In other words, means negative 6 cotangent to data here is equals to negative 2 sub 3. So this one we back to trigonometry. Find your data means solving your trigonometry equation. So when we need to solving our trigonometry equation, the first step will be our range, followed by quadrant, then followed by basic angle, and lastly we rotate. So firstly, look at the equation here. Is it this equation are the simplest form already? So the form that we can solve is trigo angle value. So make sure this value we simplify it to the right hand side. So our trigo given here is cotangent, angle is 2 theta, value when you divide by negative 6, so it will become 1 over it will become 3 over 3. So cotangent also equals to 1 over tangent. So what will be your tangent to theta? We inverse it will be 3 over 3. Okay, so this is the equation that ready to find the data, trigo angle value. So we start with the first step. What's your range? Range of data fall on data is fall on 0 until pi over 2, but our angle here is 2 data, so it will be fall on 0 until pi only. So your rotation only start from 0 until pi. Then second step, what's your quadrant? When you have tangent positive, what's your quadrant? Or A, S, T. So quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. So what's your basic angle? Basic angle will be shift tangent to the value. So when you press your calculator, make sure you move in radian. When you given your data in radian, means you move in radian, no degree here. Answer all in radian. So you're giving your basic angle is pi over 3, right? Right, pi over 3. So here in quadrant 1, pi over 3, in quadrant 3, pi over 3. Then what is our rotation here? First, this is our third step. This is our step number 4. We're going to start to rotate it from 0 until pi, from 0. First quadrant. So first quadrant equals back pi over 3. Go to quadrant 2, not related, right? Go to quadrant 3, it's more than enough, right? Because our rotation just until pi. So quadrant 3 is not involved here. So only have one answer. So simplify. Lastly, data is pi over 6.